Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Red Dead Redemption 2 error GFX state. So I will show you guys the very effective solution. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the Red Dead Redemption 2 game. Then just click on the gear icon, go to your game properties. Now here you will see the launch option and you will see the enable the Steam overlay. Just turn off this option. Then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, so go to the update and make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. If it is not updated, then update it. Then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then go to the install files. Then just click on the verify, integrate your game files. It will take some time. So you just need to wait for it, then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, then click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. Now, once you click on that, it will take you to the folder where your Red Dead Redemption game is installed. So make right click on the game launcher. So you will see the properties on the last. So just click on the properties, then just go to the compatibility tab. Now here you will see the three options. Just check the box of compatibility mode and choose at the Windows date. Uncheck this box, also uncheck this box. Now click on the apply, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, so just uncheck this box of compatibility mode. Choose here the administrator, just check the box of administrator. Now click on the apply, now launch the game, then check. And if your problem is still not fixed, so just check the box of disable full screen optimization, then launch the game, then check. If your problem is still not fixed, so make sure that your graphic card are updated to the latest version and also make sure that your Windows is updated. Now, once you update your Windows or graphic card, then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. And I hope guys one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please like this video and bye bye.